टू तर्ज गैलरी। और तर्ज गैलरी में हो रहा है एक ब्यूटीफुल एग्जीबिशन, अ क्यूरेशन बाय 10 ब्यूटीफुल ब्रांड्स, जहां पे आपको मिलेंगे फुटवेयर, चनिया चोली, ज्वेलरी, पोटली बैग्स, किड्स वेयर, बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस हैं। एंड हर स्टॉल पे, हर ब्रांड पे अलग चनिया चोली का कॉम्बिनेशन मिलेगा। सो what are you waiting for? It's a 2-day exhibition, today and tomorrow. And for more collection, you know what you have to do. Swipe left. This is brand DC Designer Studio. Hello, ma'am. Beautiful. ये जो पीसेस हैं वो आप नवरात्रि के अलावा भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं, वेडिंग फेस्टिविटीज़ के लिए, ओकेजन्स के लिए। These are very versatile pieces. Look at that. Beautiful. Lovely. Look at the colors. Beautiful. So if you like what I am wearing, this is brand DC Designer Studio और उनके पास बहुत सारे options हैं. Something in long. Beautiful. Color combination is very beautiful. I'll show you some more pieces as well. Look at that. Classic combinations, beautiful combinations. Vintage में भी बहुत सारे options हैं उनके पास. Look at that. Look at the detailing.
Hi, my brand name is Khwab. We are here at Tarz Gallery for 2 days for the Navratri exhibition. We got a new Navratri collection ready here. It's a pure vintage lehenga.
Beautiful. Look at that.
Set you'll get. Apart from that, we have it on pure mirror works also.
Okay.
These are also complete sets. You'll get color options as well. We can customize also.
Beautiful.
Apart from that, we have a heavy silks as well. So these you can utilize for your weddings or any other festivals also, and the Navratri as well. Apart from that, I have tissues also.
Look at that. Beautiful options. So apart from Navratri, if you want to use,
we have pure vintage dupattas also. This is a pure handmade vintage dupattas.
look at that.
It's like a multi-color. Then we have blouses also, something on a little cocktail. Denims with kachi.
Beautiful. Look at that.
And this will get on camel as well.
Lovely. Beautiful. This is brand Tikka Sahib. Hello, ma'am.
Hi. We have festive collection.
Okay.
उसमें हैंडवर्क में पीसेस आएंगे,
Alright.
3 पीस रहेंगे
Beautiful.
ऐसे वेलवेट में विथ बनारसी बॉटम,
Look at that. Very pretty.
मिरर वर्क,
Something in mirror work. Beautiful options. Look at that. Beautiful.
टिश्यू में भी रहेगा.
टिश्यू में भी उनके पास ऑप्शंस हैं. जो मैम ने खुद पहना है वो भी उनके ही कलेक्शन का है. सो यू कैन बाय दैट ऑल्सो. लवली. ब्यूटिफुल. मूविंग ऑन टू चनिया चोली के भी बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस हैं उनके पास. लुक एट दैट. समथिंग लाइक दिस. ब्यूटिफुल. पूरा हैंडवर्क है. रस्ट कलर में है. With some contrast detailing on the dupatta. Beautiful.
Customize कोई भी कलर हो जाए.
Okay.
ये ऐसा shaded मिलती है.
Something in shaded options. Beautiful.
दुपट्टे में ऐसा है.
Lovely. This is brand Shudevyam. Hello, ma'am.
We are here with our Navratri collection.
Okay.
This is the 2-layer skirt with the
Okay.
15-meter ghera and masaba blouse.
Lovely.
One another color in this red.
Beautiful.
Now something in a Chanchu collection. Blouse.
Okay.
See the detailing in that.
Lovely. Look at that.
And we have bandhi skirt also.
Wow. Beautiful.
This kind of multicolor skirt
Wow. Look at
with the
that.
Banarasi border and everything.
Beautiful.
Yes, we have this pure border also with the toy work and everything.
Okay.
And we have kali into kali also
Okay.
with more than 15-meter ghera.
Okay.
Yes, see the flare.
Lovely. Look at that.
And we have this kind of beautiful blouses also.
ब्लाउजेस में भी बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस आपको मिल जाएंगे. Look at that.
Customization is also available. We have this kind of beautiful dupattas
Dupattas
also.
as well. This is brand Radiant, and look at the beautiful German silver collection that they have, from statement earrings to beautiful necklaces to these kadas to some rings, along with beautiful options in long choker, something like this if you're looking for. Look at that piece, and these are all lightweight, so you can carry them without any worries. Something in long like this, something in layered, along with a lot of earrings option. Look at that, beautiful. If you want something in chokers, they have that also. Again, this is brand Radiant. Something in dainty, delicate pieces. Beautiful. This is brand Heart of Sunray. Hello, ma'am.
Hi. We have Navratri collection this time.
Okay.
We have chanias with detailing.
Beautiful.
Mukesh work. Color can be customized.
Okay.
Size can be customized.
Color और size
We have
दोनों
cotton chanias
customizable
also
है.
with
Beautiful.
lightweight. Chanias like with shibori print.
Wow, something different.
We have different blouses
Okay,
with patchwork.
beautiful. Look at the options. So you can mix and match from this entire stall.
We have
Dupatta
different
also.
dupattas with badla work, tikkis, shaded ones.
Beautiful.
We have kids wear.
Kids wear भी है उनके पास. Beautiful. Again, you can customize these as well.
Yeah, cotton chanias,
Lovely.
comfortable.
Look
Yeah,
at
and
that.
then we have different vintage dupattas.
Dupatta as well. This is brand Kajal. Hello, ma'am.
Hello everyone.
So we have different options with us. You can have something like this with any color of dupatta.
Okay.
Pastel is very
Beautiful. Look at that. Set options है उनके पास. Beautiful color combination के साथ. Customizable भी है. Look at that.
Then we have cotton as well with us.
Okay. For all the cotton lovers out there, they have cotton में भी बहुत सारे options.
We have color options in each and every design.
Lovely. Look at that. Something in pastel, something in light, something in vibrant colors.
Then we have dupattas as well.
Beautiful. Dupattas के भी बहुत सारे options हैं उनके पास. Along with a lot of blouses. Look at that.
We have mirror work as well.
Beautiful.
Sequence work,
Wow. Lovely.
cotton.
दिस इज ब्रांड टेबल टोज, और उनकी जो स्पेशलिटी है वो है कंफर्ट. सो दीज आर ऑल डॉक्टर सोल्स, जहाँ पे ये ट्रिपल कुशन है, नॉट इवन डबल बट ट्रिपल कुशनिंग में आपको सारे ऑप्शंस मिल जाएंगे. लोफर्स से लेके स्लाइडर्स, ब्यूटीफुल जूतीज, वेडिंग वेयर, टेबल वेयर है विच इज वेरी वेरी हेल्दी. लॉट ऑफ ऑप्शंस इन कॉम्बिनेशंस एज वेल. This is brand Ashi Creations. Hello, ma'am.
Hello, so we are here with some
Festive
handmade
wear.
pieces.
Beautiful. Lovely. अगर आपको तीज के लिए कुछ शॉप करना है, कुछ रूटीन वेयर के लिए, कुछ फेस्टिव वेयर के लिए, गिफ्टिंग पर्पसेस, लुक एट दैट. ब्यूटिफुल. They also have some chaniya cholis के ऑप्शन. बहुत सारा.
Something in dupatta.
Lovely. Look at that.
Some customizable bangles.
Lovely. This was brand Ashi Creations. This is brand Punk by Drumi. Yes, ma'am. Please show us some of your collection. Okay. Beautiful. Something in white, something in badla work. Look at that.
Handwork dupatta.
Okay, handwork dupatta. Beautiful, vibrant violet, lovely. Beautiful.
contrast dupatta. Lovely. Something in monochromatic look. Look at the detailings. Beautiful. Wow. Something in green but in different shades with some beautiful work.